Welcome back to Crazy Bill, and you're looking at another one of those Ford wheels and tires that my coworker has that, well, are unfortunately flat, and I'm going to have to fix them both. There's two flat and two aren't. They have small leaks in them, and I can see somewhere over here I've deducted that there is air coming out of the tire. But well, of course, around the rim. But that's not what I'm doing today. I am doing this. EmZone foaming tire shine. Cleans, shines, protects. No wiping, no rubbing, no mess. And you can just spray and walk away. Not a sponsor, but you would expect. Fabricated in, let's get the English side, not the French. I can't read French, I'm sorry. Proudly made in Canada. So this is the kind of thing you just spray on, walk away, and yeah, we're going to give a little dose of it right here and see what it does right here. Oh, she is foaming. Look at that foaming action. But yes, EmZone, a lot of us Canadians probably see a lot of this stuff because it's everywhere. EmZone is everywhere. I usually only buy the brake clean and that kind of stuff, but I've not really bought too much of their tire cleaner. But I saw this and I decided to get some, and then the wife yelled at me because she says they sell this stuff where she works, and I could have got it there for a lot cheaper. So yeah, that's my problem, not hers. But we're gonna spray it on. We're gonna walk away, and you're gonna get to actually see this in a lot faster action than just sitting there and just letting it go at normal speed. I'm gonna do this, and we're gonna speed her along, and then we're gonna come back to it after. You can already see what it's doing there. I don't really like what it's doing. Is this going to be shiny? I hope not. We'll see. Directions are usual: spray, and let's let it dry. That kind of thing. All right, let's get to this. Well, look at this end product here. Like, wow, this did do a very nice job. Still doing a little down there if a drip, but this is quite outstanding, I must say. It's not shiny. It looks new. It just looks very new. Not compared to this dirty rim, but it does look new. Didn't get rid of the V where I put that mark to fix the. Well, I got to reseat this wheel probably, and there's probably some crusties under there. But what a fantastic job this actually did. I am not shocked. EmZone does make some good products, and I'm kind of glad that I did this one because I wasn't going to use EmZone on. I didn't even think that they actually had a tire cleaner like this until I seen it. And I was like, oh, I'm going to buy that. I know, the wife yelled at me. But this is more impressive than I thought it would be. Like, I might use this stuff. Well, I probably will now. I'll put it on the wife's car. Then she can have nice black tires. She doesn't go down dirt roads like I do. So, going down dirt roads and stuff, the dust will just stick to it mostly, is what happens. But this product here, this EmZone here, really did a really nice job. Let's get the English side. Foaming tire shine. 500 gram sprayable bottle. And like I said, just spray and walk away. It's pretty well what you can do with this. Really worked great. I may be trying more of it because now the wife tells me I can get this from her work for a lot less than what I paid for this can. So I may use it more in the future. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And please tune in again for, I don't know if they're amazing videos, but I like to say the word amazing videos.